In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can add an end screen just like this in your YouTube videos with a video on your right and a video on your left and a button to subscribe, right? So the first thing you need to do is find a footage video or even just an image. So the first place you can get things like this from is Pexel, which is free. So let's go to pexel.com. So this is the website www.pexels.com/videos, right? Then you're going to search for YouTube end screen. So this is where I got the exact one that I'm using from, right? There are a bunch you can choose from. So you just select one and download it, right? Now let's minimize this. Then what you're going to do is add your video. Let's add a video to this project. Insert media. I'm just going to select a random clip here. Key project settings. Let's close that. So I'm just going to cut this so we can get to the end screen. So here you can see that I have my end screen. It will then transfer over to the end screen. So the next step is to really export this video and upload it to YouTube. So let's export. We're going to be calling this demo. Let's close, let's minimize. Now let's go to YouTube Studio and then select create to upload your video. Just select upload, browse for the video that you're uploading. In your case, you may have an uploaded video, so stay tuned. You'll see how you can edit that, right? So I'm gonna select the video. So here it's doing its thing. So let's just select next to go through the process. Select monetization, on, done, next. So basically what we want to get to is video elements. Scroll down, submit ratings, then select next, and then here you're going to select add end screen, then select add, and then these are templates that you can choose from. I'm going to select the one that says 2 videos. Then here you're going to drag and adjust where the video starts to match the end screen where it chips in, right? So I'm adjusting this a little bit. Right, so it starts just about there. So if I click down here now, I can then align it with where the white spots are. Now for the subscribe button, I just need to select add element and then select subscribe. And then here I just drag it to where you see the white space, right? And you can spend some time on aligning it. And that's basically how you add an end screen to a video. And then you just save and publish. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.